Hello, my friends, hello. Hello, my friends, hello. Hello, my friends, hello. My friends, hello, my friends, hello. Hello, marhaba. Marhaba, my friends, marhaba. Marhaba, my friends, marhaba. Marhaba, my friends, marhaba, my friends. Marhaba, my friends, marhaba. Marhaba. Assalamu alaikum. ¿Cómo está? Hello, everyone. Nice to hear from you again. Thank you again for your emails. Hello to some of our friends, Ethan and Caden, John Joseph, Gabriel, Angela and Isabel, Aliana, Aliyah, and Nara and Kai. Hi. And Paula, Chocolat. I'm missing you so much still, but you're doing great. Stay home and stay safe. Today, we are going to make Play-Doh. So it should be lots of fun. First, remember, we have to wash our hands. It's important to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. The happy birthday song just happens to be 20 seconds long. Soap, turn it on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lincoln, Blake, Brock, Sterling, and Maya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Well, here is our Play-Doh recipe. 1 salt. I'm going to use this little cup, and one of these we will use with our salt. Here's our salt. We'll need 2 waters, 2 of these, but the water has to be very, very hot, hot, hot. So you need to have an adult with you because it's very dangerous, that hot water. A splash of oil. Here's our oil. And a shake of cream of tartar. Shake, 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 shake. Here's our cream of tartar. If you don't have cream of tartar, forget about it. Also, color. You can use these food colorings. And flour. We're gonna add our flour. So let's start. This water is very, very hot, remember. Number 1 is 1 salt. 1 salt. One of those. 2 hot water. This has been plugged in, so it's very, 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 very hot. 1, 2, pour. Now, we need a splash of oil. Splash. Ooh, that was fun. Let's do another splash. Splash, 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 splash. That's good. Splash. Some oil. And let's stir it up a little bit. Here is our cream of tartar. Little shake. Little shake of cream of tartar. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake your sillies out. Shake, shake, shake your sillies out. Shake, shake, shake your sillies out. Wiggle your waggles away. And if you don't have cream of tartar, like I said, that's okay. Forget about it. Let's mix. Mix. Oh, we need some color too, don't we? Today, maybe we'll try this color. What color is this? Let's try it. Ooh, let's see. Just a few little drops. Let's see. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Around and around and around. And around and around and around. And stop. Now we add flour. Let's try 1 flour. 2 flours. Let's mix. Mix, 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 mix. We might need to add 3 flours. Mix, stir it up. Fast, 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 fast. Slowly. Slowly. Fast, fast, fast. What color is this? It's looking good. Fast, fast, fast. Slow. Fast. Let's have another. So this would be 3 flours. Shake, 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 shake. Stir, 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 stir. Ah, looking good. Now let's use our fingers. Squish, squash. Ooh, looking good. Almost finished. Maybe a little more flour. Push. And then we're going to take it out of our bowl and roll it. Well, I have been having so much fun with Play-Doh, I decided to make another color. I took this food coloring and I thought it was going to be red, but look what color it turned out. Pink! I love pink. I wanted to share some of the benefits of Play-Doh. Play-Doh helps build those fine motor skills when you need for strong muscles for writing. 0. Oh, 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 oh. And also for cutting. Do, 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 do. It engages the senses. Sometimes I put glitter and Kool-Aid, buttons, and maybe if I go for a little walk, I can find something and rocks. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun to use things from outside. Rocks, you could build something. So cool. Helps with social skills and language. Ask your child about their creation. There is such rich language, like rolling, rolling, and squash, or squish. It's wonderful for creativity and imagination. And oftentimes I need an inspiration for my Play-Doh. In this case, we used I'm the biggest thing in the ocean, and I have done a jellyfish swimming in the water. So we need an inspiration. There's my jellyfish, little flower. And during these times, Play-Doh is very calming. It's a wonderful thing to have. So enjoy. I hope you enjoy making it. And remember, after you've finished, you always have to clean up. And what does Mrs. Mac do? She gives you the 5-minute warning. Remember our 5 minutes? In 5 more minutes, it will be cleanup time. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Have fun. Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody, do your share. Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, everybody, do your share. Good job. Time for the goodbye train. Oh, the goodbye train is coming, see us soon. Oh, the goodbye train is coming, see us soon. Oh, the goodbye train is coming, the goodbye train is coming, the goodbye train is coming, see us soon.